Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your body into a fat burning machine using just one simple ingredient. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So to start, you are going to need some lukewarm water. This is about 500 ml, which is half a liter. Now I'll come in with a teaspoonful of cinnamon powder. I'll mix everything up. Cinnamon is difficult to dissolve in cold water, so it's very advisable to use lukewarm water. Afterwards, I will squeeze in some lemon juice. You can use about 2 tablespoons. I'll go ahead and give it a good mix. I must say, you don't necessarily have to drink this at a gulp. You can sip it throughout the day, and this is going to help increase metabolism. Cinnamon also subdues hunger, so it's not going to make you feel hungry and hence reducing your food intake. This will help burn fat throughout the day. You can eat whatever you want and you don't have to do any intense exercise. You are going to see the improvement within 7 days. It is recommended to use a straw because lemon is acidic, and if you drink it without a straw, it's going to wear off the enamel on your teeth. You need to protect your teeth whilst you stay healthy. This also boosts immunity and aids in digestion. So as you can see, this very simple ingredient over here has so many good properties for the body. So I hope this did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.